Well, howdy howdy, it's Beardicus here again, and in this video we're going to be looking at the MSI GeForce 1650 graphics card. Actually, it's an unboxing, so don't get too excited. This channel is all about unboxing things in one take. There's going to be nothing fancy here, so I'm going to get straight into it. But while I'm doing that, ooh, I thought that was going to open up straight then. Damn, okay, never mind. Yeah, so like I said, this channel is all about unboxing things, supplementary content to my main channel, which is TechWizTime. You can find that in the link down in the description below, or if I'm really not lazy, you'll probably see it in the cards above. So, this is the GTX 1650, and ooh, fancy! Look at this. What the? Ah, oh, that is real fancy. You've got a little record there. Oh, got an MSI little booklet. Oh, it's a little comic. Cool. Yeah, nice. Cool. All right, so we've got a user guide. Plug it in, make it work. Okay. And looks like, yeah, they're coasters. Very, very thin ones, but nice. That's a nice little welcome pack. I'll throw that. Thank you for choosing an MSI product. That's pretty cool. MSI, for those who aren't aware, is a big technology company in Australia. That's where all of these products have come from. Hashtag not sponsored. That's what they do these days, isn't it? The cool kids. I think that's it in the box. Yeah, sweet. So let's unbox this graphics card. Let's have a look. Oh, junk. Okay. It's got a... Oh yeah, it's just got a little warning there saying that fans don't spin if they don't need it. So this is intelligent because it's pretty intelligent. Yeah, it's got your little protector down there for your PCIe slot pins so you don't damage them. Those fans are looking pretty cool. There's all sorts of plasticky stuff on there that you can peel off. I won't do it in this video because I am putting this into a primary build, which will be on my main TechWizTime channel. Am I plugging it enough? I don't know if I am. TechWizTime, that's where I actually make my main videos. No, just kidding. Okay, so you've got two DisplayPorts and a HDMI port. So, yeah, not bad. It's going to be a basic graphics card. It's a 4 gig model. It's not going to, you know, push RTX 2080 standards or 2080 Ti. It's got 6-pin power there as well. So, yeah, not bad. I will do full benchmarks and all that sort of thing on my main channel. I'll show off, I think, the main ones I like to show off are like GTA 5. A lot of people still like to play that game. What's the other ones? Oh, Shadow of the Tomb Raider. That's another favorite for a lot of people out there. So I will show off the benchmarks. Ugh, can I be any noisier? I'll show off the benchmarks for those games on the main TechWizTime channel, like I said. If I do get to it and I'm not too lazy, I will actually send or put links to the video up in the cards above or down in the description below. So make sure you check that out. I'll put that back there. Yeah, so anyway, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're interested in more one-cut unboxings like this. Whenever I get anything new in, I'll try and just do it in one shot, show you what comes in the box. Anything further outside of that, like benchmarking or anything like that, will always appear on the main channel. This is just a supplementary channel. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you later.